the train. You're holding up the train for everybody. Step off or I gotta drag you off. Step off or I have to drag you off. Is you holding up the train for all these people trying to go home?
Why am I holding up a train when I'm sitting on here when I'm going to Brooklyn?
Grab your stuff, you understand?
No, I will not grab my stuff and get off. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Let's go. Let's go.
Get off of me.
Come on, just step off.
Get off of me.
Step off the train.
Come.
Get off the fucking train. Sorry about that.
Why are you fucking hitting me?
Sit down.
Stop.
Sit down. Hurry up. Sit down on the floor. Sit down on the floor.
Somebody just fucking took it. Stop.
Get on the floor. Behind your back. Behind your back. Listen, I'm gonna take you to the ground.
Okay.
Sit.
Okay.
Sit. Okay, stop right there. Let's go.
Down.
Please stop. No, please.
I got it.
Johnny. Johnny, please. I can't breathe. Ow. Oh my God.
Got it.
Johnny, please.
Give me. I got it.
Ow. Johnny.
Long, I got it. Long.
Get his legs.
Long.
Please.
Okay.
Get his legs.
Johnny, help.
Okay, I got it.
Johnny.
Sit on his chest. Sit on his chest.
Johnny, please. Ow.
Stop. You
I
fucking.
got it.
Johnny.
Relax.
Ow.
It will be fine, okay?
Ow, please, sir.
Relax.
Please, sir.
Calm down, alright?
Ow.
It will be okay. Relax.
Just relax.
Help, please.
Just relax, Joseph.
Can I get up, please? I'm having a nap.
can't get up.
I'm having a panic attack, sir,
Sir,
please.
you need to sit down and just take a deep breath.
I can't. It hurts, please.
I understand it hurts. The more you move, the more it's going to hurt, though. It's going to lock down on you. You just need to relax. The more you relax, the better you'll feel.
You cannot.
Please, sir, please.
Just relax. Just
I
relax.
can't breathe. Guys, please don't. Please don't. I'm sorry.
Moving.
Guys, please. Al, you're killing me.
I'm gonna flatten him out.
No, guys. Sir. Al, please. Oh my God, please. Please, guys, please. Al. Al, please. Al. Guys, help me. Al, please. Guys. Help. 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 Help, it's not me. Help, please. Help. Please, sir. Please. Rob.
Carla's going to go along with you guys. He got hurt.
Yeah, I heard. Yeah, no, I heard.
So you're gonna go with, and then when you come back,
Come on, Joe.
come on, walk right.
Not bad.
Put your, yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Lay down.
Good job.